scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems involving integrals can look intimidating, but you can solve the specific derivative challenge in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple, fast steps. To isolate g of x, we differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x using the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus on the left side. Let's go, watch this. The derivative of the integral is simply g of x. Applying the power rule to the right side gives us negative 2/3 times x to the negative 1/3. Boom, done! Finally, substitute 8 for x. Since 8 to the negative 1/3 is 1/2, multiplying by negative 2/3 yields negative 1/3. That makes option D our final. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid dropping the constant when differentiating, and always remember to use the fundamental theorem correctly.